Good morning. I'm here today at one of the job sites. The demo has been done and I'm with the cabin maker going through the drawing that I did. We're going to go and take care of some site measurement and compare them with my drawing. It's super important to take a site measurement, make sure that matches your drawing, and then a lot of times surprises happen. Plugs are on your way. You just need to make sure everything, the electrical, the plumbing has been done correctly. And this is Ali.
Cabinet guy.
Yeah. And this is Sean. Sean, do you want to say hello to camera?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the camera? Oh, I'm here. How are you doing?
Sean, he's
good.
He's the best electrician in the world.
Yeah, our world is very small.
You're awesome. You're awesome.
Thank you.
No,
Bye-bye.
Thank you. So that's the floor plan. So in here, as you can see, we should have, there is going to be a door.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have a bench, yeah.
Okay.
And then here is gonna be a dishwasher
Stacked.
and then we have all the cabinets, and that part should be inside the cabinet as well.
Oh, that part?
Yeah. So
That's you cannot remove it.
no. This is the phase 2 of this project, and in this phase we are remodeling the powder room, family room, mudroom, and building a storage for the garage. As you can see, the dash line shows all the walls that is going to be removed. In the new design, I have changed the layout slightly. I added a door between garage and a mudroom, came up with a new design for the mudroom built-in millwork, changed the powder room layout, and added a closet. I'm also completely changing and remodeling family room fireplace wall. I think it's very important to meet with the contractors just in case if there is any problem. It's just a matter of communication between the designers and the contractors. If you be able to communicate well with the contractors, I think everybody will be happy at the end. I'm heading down to the office. I would like to appreciate your time, and I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.